Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Out at the warehouse remodel job. Guys are making great progress. This is another side of the plant where we're going to be doing our forklift ramp. We've been dumping our excess concrete out here. You can see our string line very faintly coming down where the concrete blocks are located. It'll be a 12 by 24 ramp. Got a nice easy grade. Guys sawed out where the footings are going to be, so we'll break that out. So there'll be a nice heavy footing on this end. We're going to form the walls, fill this with gravel, and put a 6-inch slab on top of it with rebar. We're going to also pull out this lift gate attachment, easy ramp, get it out of the way. Take you inside. Show you the scale of this plant. Here's that gate that we're going to lift up. Form boards, form material there. All this machinery is going out. It's an enormous building. Everything cleaned out. See what the new owner is going to be doing. Be another wood processing plant. Next phase is going to be this entire wall that you see where the old material showroom was from the former owner. We're going to be tearing all of that out. That'll increase the warehouse space. Ductwork getting ready to be set up. Jonathan and Gabi been killing it over here on the block. Should have this closed up by the end of the day. It's getting close, but we're making good progress. Jonathan's tooling all the joints. Gabi's getting things set. Right up here to the end. Got our scissor lift working, made a huge difference. And that's our progress for the day. Guys are getting stuff cleaned up outside. Everything's delivered. I'll keep you posted with progress. If we can help you out with your warehouse remodel jobs, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.